De Leon Johan Quiro from SSKI, Tagbilaran City. Please proceed to Tatami 3 now.
Okay, parents, may security, ipadala yan sa staging area. Di ka po mo mag-operate, di ko lang yung mga bata. Sige. O di mo kabaw, mahawak lang, gawanin sa staging area.
Makapobre Lucero. Makapobre ako, Lucero year out.
Please raise your hand, Nabila Dianos from JPS Philippines TV.
Nakayo kami sa inyong kooperasyon, aron ulagan o tarong atong duwa. 9 p.m. nagutot ang mall, nagagante kang entries, and 2 hours delayed ka. So please, parents, we need your full cooperation on this matter. Step away from the staging area, please. Malin lang mo, nakalihog ni. Saktanay ka. Pangita lang mo blind area na makaligid mo suwa. Puro na tagbungol na eh, klaro kayo, ako kayo microphone, ako kayo sa system. Ipakita sa inyong mga anak that you are worthy of kanang emulating mga models mo nila sa mga baka. Ang karate should be discipline ang mga tao. So, kung parents mo sa inyong mga bata, labaw na mga disiplinado.
After this bout, prepare Rural knockout from JPA versus Lucas from AMK.
Leon Lopez.
Standby Lucero from BCSKC Tumakay from USJKC Aka versus Dingo Precious from Tujuan Road.
Kita, calling Nabila, please proceed to Tatami 3 now. Calling the attention of Nabila Zian Ross and Arboris James Dial, please proceed to Tatami 3 now. Nabila Zian, Arboris James, last call.
Proceed to the match, Lunag versus Brutas. After this category, Please prepare Tumakay Aka versus Pinoy Precious from Bujuan.
Last call, Navida from JKSCV. Last call. Please proceed to Tatami 3 now.
Lynn Ayesha.
Calling the players of 7 years old and below, beginners rated female. Please proceed to Tatami 2 now. Dingding, Bokwana, Daniel Sapphire, Sumabay, Baldo. Please proceed to Tatami 2 now. Again, 7 years old and below, beginners rated female. Dingding, Bokwana, Daniel, Sumabay, and Baldo. Please proceed to Tatami 2 now. Thank you. Last call, Navida. Double time, Navida, please.
Okay, next bout, Tumakay Aka from USRKC versus Pinoy Precious from Bujuan. After this bout, please prepare Sanchez Karen Aka from Butao versus Bumanoy Anika from Warriors Karate Team. PJ Lumaktod, Ling Ayet, Ariasha Charles.
Please prepare Atala and Boris, you have for your match. Calling all 8 to 9 years old beginners committed female, please proceed to Tatami 2 now. Lara Crystal and Derby Shari, Kabatina Sofia, Brutus Francesca, Quest Joanna, Katipa Lucia, and Sipido Manila, Moreno Julia, Rico Puerto Paz, Arunia Ella, Batayola Mira, Marlo, Corsino Pia, Huesa. Please proceed to Tatami 2 now. Again, 8 to 9 years old, beginners committed female. Thank you.
After this bout, prepare Lumaktod Arlana Nicole from JK Philippines Aka versus Ling Arresto Chance from AK Cebuao. Standby Sanchez Lara Sofia from Butao versus Bumanoy Anika from Warriors Karate Team. Out.
Takye Henley JKANKK Philippines, Aka. Makalit ni Jerson from AUK Cebu, Aka. Please proceed to Tatami 1 now. Thank you.
Calling the players of 7 years old and below beginners to begin. Dingding Kalitea, Boktuano Salina Daniel Sapphire. Please proceed to Tatami 2 now. Again, 7 years old and below beginners to begin female. Dingding Kalitea from Tuntao, Boktuano from JK Fields Milania, Daniel Sapphire from Bukay JKH. Calling also the players of 8 to 9 years old beginners committed female. Please proceed to Tatami 2 now. Last person.
Winner, Aka. Next, proceed to Tatami 4. Lumangton Arlano Nicole from JKANKK Philippines versus Lynn Receptions.